Welcome to my channel. Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro R03 Setup. Plug the Xiaomi Mi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro R03 into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the LED light to blink yellow, indicating that the device is in pairing mode. Download the Mi Home app. Install the Mi Home app on your smartphone. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. Create or log into a Xiaomi account. Open the Mi Home app and log in with your Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can create an account from within the app. Add device in Mi Home app. In the Mi Home app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Wi-Fi Range Extender from the list of devices. Follow the prompts on the screen. The app will search for nearby Xiaomi devices. When the app detects the Mi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro, it will prompt you to connect your smartphone to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, and connect to the network named Xiaomi_XXXX. XXXX is a unique code. Once connected, return to the Mi Home app. The app will ask you to select the Wi-Fi network you want the extender to connect to. Choose your main router's Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password for the main router. The extender will then attempt to connect to your router. After successful setup, the app will confirm that the extender has connected to your router. Thanks for watching.